Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab. The Void airdrop just came through. I made a previous video on this. If you are subscribed to this channel, you should have seen it. And I'm going to cover exactly what you got here. So first thing, I made two previous videos, how to get a Tron Link wallet, linked in the description, and how to get the Void airdrop for free tokens. And you can check that one out as well. So here we are in the Void token announcement Telegram group, and we can see Void phase 3 airdrop is now complete. Thank you to everyone for entering. They've sent 500,000 Void to all of the eligible entries. And then it says here's a breakdown showcasing the amount of entries. So website submissions 4,000, and then basically you had to follow 4 steps to make this all go through. And at the end, 564 people are eligible for the airdrop. And you know, there's lots of bots and things like that trying to get these airdrops to just automate it. So they have a process that filters out all of the bots, all of the people that can't follow the steps, that are trying to cheat the system, use multiple wallets and everything like that. But if you followed the steps in my tutorial videos, you should be all set and you should have gotten the airdrop. Basically, everyone that followed the steps got 547 Void. And if we open up our Tron Link wallet here, scroll down, we can see here is the Void that I got, 547. This dollar amount isn't accurate because it's not synced on TronScan. Don't worry about that. You should have 547 Void now. Anyone who is my subscriber that followed these videos, you have 547 Void. So if we come here to Tron Watch Market, you can see the price is taking a little dip because everyone that got that airdrop, a lot of those people are just selling their Void. But you can sell 1 Void for 2 Tron right now. You know, you could just sell to this dude. But I expect the price to go back up to like 4 or 5. But we're just going to figure 2 TRX now. You can trade your Void for 2 TRX on Tron Watch Market. I don't suggest doing that. I'm not even going to do a tutorial on how to do that right now. I recommend just holding your Void or staking it. But I mean, if you want to sell it, Tron Watch Market Void, click this, type in the amount of Void that you want to sell, and click sell Void, and you basically sold it. Look, the price already went up. Someone bought it for 3.2. So we're already figuring 3 TRX. Let's just figure 3 TRX. That's easy. We can come here to CoinMarketCap.com. Let me give this a refresh. Scroll down to Tron, number 11 on the list. We can see that 1 TRX is worth 2.5 cents. So let's go ahead and open up our calculator here. So we have 547 Void, and those are worth 3 TRX each. So times 3, that's going to give us 1,641 Tron, and 1 Tron is worth 2.5 cents. So we'll multiply this by 0.025, and that's $41.02. So every one of my subscribers that followed the steps just made $41. Congratulations to anyone that got involved. If you missed this one, follow the steps. Prepare for the next one. This is easy stuff. It literally takes like 2 minutes to set up the wallet, 2 minutes to join the airdrop, so like 5 minutes. 5 minutes tops, and you're good to go, $41. Let's hop over to the Void website for a second. And let's go to apps. So basically Void is a deflationary token with dApps. So you can play games with this token. And as you play the games, it'll sort of burn more of the token. And then as it burns the token, in theory, it becomes more valuable. So I just do the staking dApp. I've done all of the airdrops for Void, so I'm going to have more Void than you guys. At this point, if you haven't done all of them, you just got the 3rd airdrop. So I have 628 Void staking. When you stake Void, you basically earn more Void. So they basically have a fund or a pool, and then everyone that stakes their Void earns a little bit more Void. 1% of the pool goes to everyone staking every day, and you're paid hourly. So I've been staking for about 12 days so far. When you lock up your Void, it locks it up for 14 days. I've been staking for about 12 days. And I've earned 114 Void. So I have 547 Void right here. If I wanted to stake that, I would just type 547 and click stake, and then I'd be good to go. It would add to this balance. I would start earning more and more each day. I can also withdraw this and then continue to stake the earnings that sort of compounds it that way, but that's more of an advanced strategy. You know, we're just getting into the basics right now. Create your Tron Link wallet, start getting these free airdrops, free money. Everyone that did this one made $41, so congratulations. That's all for this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I will try and answer those. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, go hard, go hard. You might win. Don't blame your problems on the past, 'cause that'll make you come and last. So go hard.